morning, good morning. Had a couple of subscribers, couple comments. They wanted me to do a video of how the exhaust sounded, like a point of view type deal. So I'm gonna attempt this morning. Oops. Turn everything off. Let's cold start. Don't know how good the video quality is. I've never done this before. I'm trying to let y'all hear the exhaust. This is a cold start this morning. Turn everything off so y'all can hear. I'll start off in automatic mode or regular automatic, and then I will go to manual mode. Hopefully get a couple pops and crackles. My Magnaflow exhaust seems like it's broken in. It's gotten a little louder with the straight pipes. The Magnaflow Resonator Glasspack, I'll put the part number in the description, and then the straight pipe cut all the mufflers out back there in the back. So that's kind of my exhaust setup. I had a young man, actually a couple people, either DM me private messages on Facebook, Instagram, to do a POV so they could hear the exhaust. And I also have had a gentleman on my YouTube video where he actually saw the video. He commented he wanted a drive-by, so, or a POV type deal. So this for you, my man. Headed to work, and just wanted to give you a little sample of it, and hopefully y'all can hear everything. So here we go. All right, start out in regular mode. Hopefully I can get a little pop and crackle out of it. Not too much wind noise. And when I get out here on the main road, I'll switch it up for you guys and put it in manual mode, sport. Put it in sport first, and then put it in manual mode. Alright, so that's down in manual mode. We use the paddle shifters. This is where she really screams. Anybody got one, please? Here we go. Blue LED lights throughout. Switch that up on my partners. Shout out A1, his Challenger he bought from Daytona. It had blue lights in it. I thought that was pretty cool. Alright, so go again. He's a big time turbo guy. He got a Monster 3, and so I bought it from him. That's an upgrade y'all can do as well. It's pretty much universal. Only thing you have to change is the hose that goes to the bottom of the blow-off valve to the vacuum line. You have to change it, but you can get that from like AutoZone. All right, here we go. Turbosmart blow-off valve. couple of my vehicles. It's always the same. When you get down on it and you open up the screen, they give you pops or crackles out the exhaust. But alright, so let's cut through here. A little bit of echo because of the trees and stuff out here. Hopefully y'all can hear this. Here we go. Stop. Here we go. Here it's much wind. Put the windows up. Once again, it's for the people that asked me to do a drive-by POV, so that y'all can hear the exhaust. Here we go. That's that, folks. Hopefully y'all like this little video. A little tunnel action right here. Oh my God. That's that, folks. Hopefully y'all like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos coming soon. And like I always tell y'all in all my videos, be good. And if you ain't gonna be good at it. JRideReviews.